Hello students, now start the properties of conductors. There are three types of conductor. First one is a electrical property, second mechanical property, third one is economical property. One by one, what is the electrical property? The electrical property, the how to choose the conductor. The conductor conductivity must be good. For example, the silver is the good conductivity of the conductor. Then second electrical property, the resistivity must be low. Suppose the given the temperature and then resistivity, that the conductor, the resistivity must be low, means the conductivity of the conductor is good. Then third one property, the resistance temperature coefficient should be low. Fourth property, electrical energy displayed in the form of heat must be low. This is the electrical properties. Next, second one is the mechanical property. The mechanical property, it should possess high mechanical strength. The mechanical property is possess high mechanical strength. Second one, it should be able to draw into thin wire. Third, it should be able to draw into thin sheet. Fourth one, easy to fabricate. And fifth one is durability and low cost. And sixth one is withstand stress and strain. Suppose wire, the conductor wire material, the withstand stress and strain, the sustainable for the conductor stress and strain. Next, economical factor depend on the economical factors. Is the low cost, using for the aluminium is the low cost, then easy available in the market and easy to manufacture. This is the economical factor. Then characteristics of good conductor material. What is the characteristics of good conductor material? This is the 10 characteristics. The first one is resistivity of material, is the first characteristics. Then resistance temperature coefficient, then resistance against corrosion, then oxidation characteristics, then easy of soldering and welding of the that material. Ductility is the depend on classification of good conductor material. Then depend on mechanical strength. Then conductor material depend flexibility and abundance is the depend on good conductor material. Then durability and low cost, and then resistance to chemical and weather. Okay, the weather depend on the good conductor material. Then electrical conducting materials, they are classified into three types, mainly three types. The first is conductor, then insulator, and third one is semiconductor. There are three main types of conducting materials. One by one is the conductor. What is the properties of conductor? Means of, suppose the copper. First in conductor for example is copper. The copper, properties of copper, this is the image of copper wire. The first property, the pure copper is one of the best conductor of electricity from one form to the another form, or one step to another step. The conductor of electricity and conductivity is highly sensitive to impurities. This is the first property. Second, it is reddish brown in color. This color is reddish brown. Then excellent soldering and welding property, is a very excellent material for the copper. Then this copper melting point is approximate 1084 degrees Celsius, the near about. Okay, melting point. Specific gravity is about 8.9 something. Then boiling point is nearly about the 2600 degrees Celsius, and it easily form alloy like bronze, brass, etc. This is the properties of copper. Then the copper applications using copper, using the wire. Okay, without wire, without copper, not use in for example laboratories or domestic purpose, or the